up, my dudes? It's Demi, and I am at Universal CityWalk. I am super excited to be here because I haven't been at CityWalk in a couple of years. I want to like kind of roam around. I don't really have a plan. Maybe do a little shopping, maybe get a bite to eat, but I really just like, it's poppin'. It's a Friday night. It's open until 12. I just want to like hang out and maybe we'll find some cool things to do. So let's just do it. Let's get into some hijinks.
Welcome in, guys. We are kicking off the weekend here at Universal CityWalk. I love your rainbow hair.
Okay, so I definitely have to go into the Universal Studios store. I gotta see like if there's anything I need because I'm sure I do. Oh boy, here we go. Adorable. I loving all the Harry Potter merch. I might have to get something. I have to get maybe something like a cool Hufflepuff trinket or something cool. I mean, are you surprised that I'm a Hufflepuff? Like, you'll look at me and you're just like, yeah, she's a Hufflepuff. Oh my, look at these ornaments. I love the Birdie Bots one. That's adorable. I love this line. They have it for all the houses. That is so cute. But oh my God, do I get this for my nephew? I mean, I don't know if he's a Gryffindor. It's kind of too young to tell. Okay, I'm in love with this Harry Potter Christmas tree. I kind of want to do one of my own now. I think this is part of their like Christmas tree scavenger hunt that they're doing. It's like has some in CityWalk, but the rest are in Universal and Islands of Adventure. But this is beautiful. Oh no, I want it. I want this so bad. How much is this? Oh my God, it's $60. No, I have to pass. It's too expensive. I really love it though. Ooh, that's beautiful. Charm bracelet. Where's my... Here's a Hufflepuff charm bracelet. How much is this? It is... I don't know. Doesn't say. Okay, I just have to say something really quickly. Like, I kind of had to run out of there. It was so packed. I felt super uncomfortable. They're not, like, counting how many people go in. Like, there's no social distancing at all. Everyone is just like... Ugh. And I know that's not what people want to hear, but, like, I'm here to tell you what's going on. So, that's what's going on. I'm going to try maybe a different store. Maybe I'll find something that I want to eat. Maybe there's like something fun that's open. I mean, they're open until 12 tonight. So there has to be some cool things happening, right? I guess we're gonna have to find out. Okay, I know this is something that I wanna do. I definitely wanna get a Voodoo Doughnut. I know that they have this location and the one in Austin, which I was really upset when I went to Austin last year that I didn't get to get it. So I am so excited to get a Voodoo Doughnut. I just don't know which one. Okay, so I did a mobile order. It's much faster. I got myself a Captain Crunch donut. It's just a regular donut with vanilla frosting, but with Captain Crunch on top. It smells really good. I'm really excited to try this. That's really good. You know what I just realized? I don't think I've actually ever had Captain Crunch cereal before. It like was never in my like repertoire of like childhood cereals. It's really good. And the donut itself, very tasty. I am a fan. I am a true fan of this. It's really nice because it's so doughy and then this is nice and crunchy. Really good. So glad I finally got to try Voodoo Doughnut here. So this is super cool. I didn't know that this existed. It's Rising Star Karaoke and it's karaoke but with a real band. That's so cool. I definitely want to come back here. Like I'm not doing this by myself tonight, but bring some friends and come do this 100%. So I walked toward Hard Rock and you can see like all of CityWalk from here and it's so beautiful. All the lights, it just looks so poppin' right now. I love it. I have never been to this toothsome chocolate Emporium. Like even like the last few times I've been at CityWalk, I've never been inside here. Don't really know what to expect. I think it's like half of it is like a restaurant and half is like a little merch store. So yep, that's exactly what it is. So let's go into this Candy Smith little merch and candy store. Wow, as soon as you walk in, it immediately hits you with their really cool, like, steampunk decor. What are all these? It's like candy apothecary. That's so cute. Oh my God, what? That is so dope looking. I love it. You have your little candy wall and some candy over there. Oh my gosh, this place is adorable. Look at this magnificent tree. That is so beautiful. I love all the gears that are working. It's so steampunk. And I just love how like gold it is. It's just coming off like so impressive. I have some steampunk wares to sell too. That's pretty fun. Whoa, they are not messing around. It is just a sea of macarons and patisserie, little bitty things like chocolate. Oh my goodness, look at all this. And all the fudge in the world. Oh, that's so cool. They have like a little quick service, candy and milkshakes. It's so cute. I love the little candy, the jars of candy. It's so adorable. Hello. What do we have here? Stacks on stacks on stacks of sugar. And here's the restaurant. It looks really nice. I should eat here one day. All right, I'm standing on the steps of the Chocolate Emporium, and like this is the best view, I think, in all of CityWalk. Oh, that's so cool. The Islands of Adventure lighthouse is on.
Hi everybody, welcome in. We got our wristbands ready to have a great night. Have fun, enjoy it. Thank you for wearing your facial coverings, everyone. We do appreciate that.
Oh, that's really cool. There's like a private event going on in Islands of Adventure. It might be that Harry Potter exclusive thing, but that's really cute. Look at them, like, they have like little MCs as you walk in. Okay, not the Harry Potter thing. It's a super private event. Because I asked the team member holding the private event sign, I'm like, oh, is this that Harry Potter thing? And she was like, I can't tell you what it is. I'm like, oh, okay, I'm leaving. Place is really poppin'. I wish I had made like better plans, but now I know for future of like what I can do here. But I was really hoping to find some cool Harry Potter merch, but that store, which I'm passing again, was so horribly congested. So I didn't even really want to keep looking. But I'm gonna go down like the main entryway of CityWalk and see what's around over there. I will say this about CityWalk. It's poppin' for sure. But like all the restaurants, minus like very few like Cowfish, they're all just like chain restaurants and stuff. So it doesn't really feel that special. I don't know, that's just how I feel. But let me know how you feel in the comments. Do you love CityWalk? Is this like, do you prefer this over like Disney Springs? Please let me know. Because personally, I would choose Disney Springs. There's a lot more of like unique and like, you know, only it's at Disney Springs type restaurants. And that's just really not what it is here. It just kind of feels like a big mall. So I walk back this way and it's just all like, it's a Cinnabon and a pizza place and Starbucks and Bubba Gump because apparently I'm in New York. Just kidding. I wanted to find like one more fun little store, but I don't know. Some things are closed and it feels like it's just all about the restaurants right now. I'm gonna go check out these little kiosks. It looks like a lot of the same stuff that I briefly saw in the Universal store, but at least we're outside and we're not surrounded by people. Oh, I love all this Grinch merch. I feel like I've never really seen Grinch merch until like this year. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, I love it so much. Oh, look at these stockings. And the plush. They really went all out. This is really nice. There's a Grinch spirit jersey and a hat that says naughty and a scarf. That's really funny. Found some Marvel gear because remember in Florida, Universal Studios theme park has control of Marvel. But in California, it's Disney that has it. But here's some like cool Loungefly backpacks and wallets and pop Funkos. Sounds like the Hard Rock has some live music playing I Love Rock and Roll. I mean, that's pretty on the nose, Hard Rock. Got that Hello Kitty swag. Oh my God, it's Jaws and Hello Kitty in one? And she's like swimming and she's not fazed by Jaws at all. I mean, I would be fazed by Jaws. It's Jaws. Nope. 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 Yes! And let's be real. The Hufflepuff one, it looks the best because it's nice and like gold, and like gold like goes with a lot of things. They're all pretty. I'm just messing around. I love them all. Well, I didn't find anything that I wanted to get for myself, but I mean, CityWalk is super fun, super like, it's just like I keep saying, it's popping. It's just like everyone's here. Everyone's trying to have a good time. I think I'm now a little more prepared for when I come back next time. But all in all, I had a great night just like coming and hanging out here, even though I didn't like really do much like for myself, but like just walking around and getting a donut and just being in the Universal Studios atmosphere. It's really fun. I really love Universal. I hope I can go soon. It's been a while since I've been in that park. I don't have a pass holder for Universal, so you know, it's something that like, it's a whole other thing. So, but had such a great night. My phone is about to die. So I think it's time for me to say goodbye. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything that goes on this channel. Follow me on Instagram at Magical Hijinx. And until next time, my dudes, I hope you guys get into some hijinks very soon. Bye-bye.